Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered who created all those beautiful twinkling stars? Today we're going to learn about a very special person named Ibrahim and how he discovered the truth about the one true God.
Long, long ago, there lived a young boy who loved to think deeply about the world around him. One night, he stepped outside and gazed up at the dark sky. Suddenly, he saw a bright, shining star. It was so beautiful. He thought to himself, could this star be my Lord? Could this be the one who created everything? But as the night went on, something happened. The star began to fade and disappear as the dawn approached. Ibrahim realized, wait a minute, if this star can disappear, then it cannot be my Lord. The true God would never fade away or disappear. The next night, Ibrahim looked up again. This time, he saw the moon rising in the sky. It was so big and bright, glowing with a soft silvery light. He thought, surely this must be my Lord. The moon is so much bigger and brighter than the stars. But then, as the hours passed, the moon began to set and disappear below the horizon. Once again, Ibrahim understood. He said, if the moon can set and disappear, then it cannot be my Lord either. The true God must be eternal and never changing. When morning came, Ibrahim saw the sun rising in the east. Wow! The sun was the biggest and brightest of all. Its golden rays spread across the sky, warming everything it touched. Ibrahim thought, this must surely be my Lord. Nothing is bigger or brighter than the sun. But as the day went on, the sun began to move across the sky, and when evening came, the sun set in the west, disappearing just like the star and the moon had done. Ibrahim finally understood the truth. He declared, I do not love things that set and disappear. Ibrahim realized that the stars, the moon, and the sun were all creations. They were beautiful and amazing, but they were not the Creator. He turned his heart to the one true God, Allah, who created the heavens and the earth, who never changes, never sleeps, and never disappears. Allah is always there, watching over us with love and care. So, what can we learn from Ibrahim's story? Just like Ibrahim, we should use our minds to think about the world around us. We should ask questions and search for the truth. And when we look at the beautiful stars, the glowing moon, and the bright sun, we should remember that they are all signs pointing us to Allah, the one who created everything. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Ibrahim's amazing journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Until next time, keep asking questions and keep searching for the truth.